Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Hostinger password. Now if you're not even logged into your Hostinger HPanel, you want to reset your password, just go to hostinger.com and then come here at the top right. You'll see my account. Click on this and then you'll be on this page, and here you should see forgot password. Now if you click on this, it'll take you to this page which says reset password. You just have to type in your email address and then you click here on send reset email. So click on this one and then they'll go ahead and send you an email to reset your password. Now if I come here to my email, you'll see we have gotten an email from Hostinger, and then all you need to do is just go ahead and open up that email and then click here on reset password. Now you just come here and set up a new password. You just type it in, make sure you adhere to their guidelines that they need for their passwords, and then you can go ahead and change your password. Then click on confirm and you're basically done. As you can see, really that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.